Hi, welcome to applying for CalFresh at UC San Diego. This video will guide you through obtaining required and helpful documents for CalFresh, making it easy for you to apply for benefits. All links presented in this tutorial will be available in the bio of the video. Financial Aid Award. First, we will start with your Financial Aid Award. We will begin by going to students.ucsd.edu. From this homepage, click on the yellow tab on the top right labeled My Triton Link. This will take you to the login page where you will enter your student sign-on. Now you are on My Triton Link homepage. Hover your mouse over the tab at the top that says Financial Tools and click on Financial Aid. Select the current year in which you are applying for CalFresh. Scroll to the Important Information section and click on View and/or print your financial aid offer confirmation. This will take you to a page that has your financial aid information in full detail. CalFresh County workers need to see your financial aid award information with your name on it. On this page, click Printer-Friendly Version. This will show a printer-friendly PDF of your financial aid information with your name and PID on it. From here, download the page and save it to your files. Class Schedule. On the My Triton Link homepage, very slightly scroll down to your visible class schedule. Click on the WebReg hyperlink. This will take you to your list of classes for the present quarter. Scroll down to your enrolled classes and click Print Schedule. This will bring you to your class schedule that has your name in it. Open the PDF and save the image to your files. Proof of Address. For proof of address, we will need to address this section in two parts. First, for on-campus students, go to your UC San Diego email address and find your UC San Diego housing contract. This is typically labeled your year for on-campus housing, followed by UC San Diego housing contract. An example of this is 2021-22 UC San Diego housing contract. From here, download the document and save it to your files. If you cannot find the contract in your email, fill out this tenancy verification form and send it to housinginfo@ucsd.edu with your PID in the email. Afterwards, you will receive an email from HDH with your housing contract in it. That is the document which you will submit in the CalFresh application. For off-campus students, you will need to contact your landlord for your lease agreement. It is also recommended to have your utilities bill if you're an off-campus student. For most students, using the SDG&E portal will allow you to send your utilities. Student ID. To upload your student ID, use your cellular device to take a photo of your student ID, email the picture to yourself, and save the image to your files. Sworn Statement. The sworn statement is a document highly recommended to have on your CalFresh application to show your qualifying exemption. To get the sworn statement, go to basicneeds.ucsd.edu. On the homepage, hover over the Food Security tab at the top and click on CalFresh. Then, on the left-hand side of the screen, click on Application Process. Now you're on the Application Process screen. Scroll down until you see the Other Documents drop-down menu. Click on this, and you'll see the Sworn Statement document. Where to find Cal Grant A or B letter, Work Study letter, and Expected Family Contribution. To find your Cal Grant A or B letter, Work Study letter, and Expected Family Contribution, go to the homepage of My Triton Link, hover over the Financial Tools drop-down menu, and select Financial Aid. Select the current school year and scroll down to your Financial Aid Awards and click Confirm Selection. This will take you to a page with all your awards and expected family contribution. Click on Printer-Friendly Version and save this PDF to your computer. Pay Stubs. If employed, you must report your pay stubs in order to get CalFresh. To access your pay stubs, check your employer's online employee portal, contact your HR payroll department, or if you receive a direct deposit, request a copy from your bank. LPIE Statement. LPIE, or Local Programs that Increase Employability, are programs that when a student participates in, may be eligible for CalFresh benefits even as a student. In order to be eligible for LPIE, your major must fall under one of the LPIE programs. If your major is a part of the program, you will receive an email with a verification letter from the head of your major department indicating your major is eligible. If you are unsure, check the Basic Needs website for a list of eligible programs. Enrollment verification. On your Triton Link page, go Advising and Grades. The dropdown has Order Official Documents. Click Continue on the page. A pop-up will open to Parchment, a trusted vendor for UCSD official documents. If it is your first time logging in, it will ask for information like your date of birth and address. Input that info in. A screen will come up with various documents you can request. Click on Enrollment Verification Electronic. Then, I'm sending to myself or another individual. I am sending this order to myself. Input your email under Verifications, select Verify Enrollment Major Level, and you will receive an email with your verification. Help at the Hub. For further assistance, contact the Hub Basic Needs Center on campus. If you need any help, be sure to check out the Hub Basic Needs Center on campus near the old Student Center. The Hub does virtual and in-person appointments and walk-in support. Also, appointments are available with a county worker. Congratulations on getting all the right documents for your CalFresh application. For more information on your application, you can contact San Diego County at sandiegocounty.gov and at 877-847-3663.